In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to stop automatically following others on Instagram accounts. First, launch your Instagram app and make sure you have already logged into your account. One common reason Instagram follows accounts automatically is that your profile might be logged in on another device. To check that, navigate to your profile page, then click on three bars given at the top right. Now head over to the option account center. Now scroll down and click on the option password and security. Click on the option where you are logged in. If you see any devices that look suspicious or you don't recognize, log out of them immediately. Next, it's a good idea to reset your password. So, what you will need to do is click on the option Change Password, choose your Instagram account and enter your current password. Type a new password, retype it to confirm, and tap Change Password. This makes sure no one else can access your account. And that's it. That's how you can stop Instagram from automatically following accounts on its own. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.